Hello everyone, we'll be doing question number 12 today. In question number 12, it has been said that in a class, the total number of boys and girls are in the ratio of 4:3. One day it was found that 8 boys and 14 girls were absent from the class, and that the number of boys was the square of the number of girls. In that case, we need to find out what is the total number of students in the class. So since it has been given that the total number of boys and girls are in the ratio of 4:3, so we can take that let number of boys be 4x and number of girls be thrice x. So one day it was found that there are 8 boys and 14 girls absent. So number of boys, present is basically 4x minus 8 and number of girls present is equal to thrice x minus 14. And it has been found out that the number of boys, which is basically 4x minus 8, is the square of the number of girls, which is thrice x minus 14 whole square. Okay, so now let us find it out. So this would be 4x minus 8 and this will be 9x square, and 14 into 14, how much will be 14 square? Will be basically, we have 196, and then we have 14 into 3 42, 42 into 2 42 into 2 will be 84 minus 84x. So this will be 9x square minus 88x plus 204, and this is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation that we are getting, and we need to solve this quadratic equation to find out the value of x. So now this can be broken down as 9x square minus 54x minus 34x plus 204, and this is equal to 0. So if we take 9x common over here, then we have x minus 6, and if we take 34 common over here, then we have x minus 6 again. So this can be written as 9x minus 34 into x minus 6 is equal to 0, and this can be further written as x minus 34 by 9 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So that implies either x minus x is equal to 34 by 9, or x is equal to 6, or x is equal to 6. But now this x, no, x equal to 34 by 9 is not possible, because in that case we have taken that the number of boys is equal to 4x. So that will be 4 into 34 by 9, which is not an integer, a positive integer, positive number quantity. So that's why x equal to 34 by 9 is not possible. So only possible option is that x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6, so therefore number of students, which is equal to 4x plus 3x, so that will be equal to 7x, which will be 7 into 6, and which is ultimately equal to 42, and 42 is the answer that we are looking for. Thank you very much for watching this video.